oh my God, how do I get in front of this wave? Because here's the cool part. 20 years ago when I started, 25 years ago, when Tony started 40 years ago, there wasn't access online to people through social media, through platforms where your knowledge could be put up for sale in literally a day. Compared to when I started, I had to film an infomercial and buy TV time and produce books and put them in the warehouse and get someone to ship it and take a phone call. Oh my God, it was insanity. I had $250,000 in that I borrowed before I even got started. So the world has shifted. This is the absolute perfect storm to be a part of it. So know that regular people, everyday people are the ones fueling this industry. So the knowledge industry is now. You are completely qualified. And then you got to make sure that other people like you, this is number 5, other people like you are having good experiences, are having success. And I have to tell you, it's been the most rewarding thing in my life. Tony and I decided 3 years ago that it was time to help make self-education the new norm, to pull back the curtain on our 60 plus years combined between the two of us. And I have to tell you, we've watched every single type of human from 150 plus countries in 4,700 different categories and little niches share what they know to help impact others, to allow other people to go faster. Let me just ask you this. This is a quick question. If you know me, if you're a part of Own Your Future, you already heard this. And I'm going quick because I want to get to the speakers today. But I want to ask you something.